Hello, my name is Yusuf and I'm going to be showing you my project. So in this project, there is a robot coming to your house because you ordered it to clean a room, and then once it finishes, you pay them money, and they go. So here's the project. Supposed to read. Um, so say bedroom. Right here, it says, "Oh boy, this room is a mess. Time to start cleaning." And then it goes ahead and cleans the stuff. Gotta wait for it to clean until it finishes. So now it's finished cleaning. It says it will be $20. All I have to say here is the money. I press check and then put $20 and say thank you. And that's it. Um, Email me if you want to talk to me, and thank you.